Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Cheesy Techie videos. So today we are going to unbox and take a first look of this Amazfit Bip smartwatch. So I've decided to upgrade to my current Xiaomi. This is the Band 5 bracelets or whatever, Band 5 watch. I think I have this for like 1 year plus. The previous one, I think the Band 3, the Band 4, the screen has obliterated years ago. So I think, yeah, years ago, as you can see, this is a NKBHD wallpaper. So I put an MKBHD wallpaper on it, so why not? So here's the watch itself. I bought this on Shopee for around $58 on sale, and they got some discounts and etc. And one thing about this good thing, because this includes some free gifts, aka freebies. So yeah, alright. As you can see, the Amazfit, as you can see, the font is like the Xiaomi one, but Amazfit and Xiaomi, they are different company, but whoever. Yeah, whatever. So this is a Amazfit. Here's the model number A2017. Supports up to I think Bluetooth 5.0, compatible with Android, iOS 10 or later. So here's the packaging content. We are going to go inside later. Bunch of regulations stuff. So here's the features of this watch itself. It has a 0.43-inch large color display. There's a 60 plus sports mode, blood oxygen saturation measurement, blah blah blah. It has a 9-day battery life, but I think it's quite shorter than my Band 4. But Band 4 can last around like 30 days, and this one is Band 4 can last around one month plus, while this one can last around like 1 to 2 weeks. And on the back, 31 gram lightweight. There's a 5 ATM water resistant. I have no idea what ATM means. Sleep quality monitoring and personal activity intelligence or whatever gibberish is that. So let's go and unbox this watch and let's have the first look of this. And it has a warranty. I'm gonna register later. So let's go and unbox it right now. So the free gift it has, this is the screen protector. Oh, I can feel it. Definitely it's gonna be some kind of like don't tell me it's some kind of like, hey, I didn't get scammed at the time. I didn't get scammed. This is a screen protector. I think definitely is okay. This is some kind of tempered glass. Hopefully it's the tempered glass. I have no idea what that is. So yeah, here it is. Here's the screen protector. Definitely is not not going to be like the previous Band 3 or Band 4 that I bought. The screen protector is not even a screen. It's not even a tempered glass one. It's just a flimsy, rubbery screen protector. So here the free watch band. If one of them is falling apart, as you can see, my Band 5 watch band is coming apart. So I just put some scotch tape, and I'm buying the band soon. So stay tuned. Okay, let's start unboxing this. I think this box is from there. So yeah, this is from unbox here and there, and here it is. Okay, here's the inside of the box itself. Inside the box is this one is a bunch of product manual, a bunch of information on it in different languages as usual. As you can see, the product manual looks similar to the Xiaomi layout. Kind of cool, quite cool to be honest. Okay, inside the box we have we forgot the manual inside, which you can just throw in the bin. Okay, the other one is, the next one we have. Oh, nice. This looks like came like those you know, those Android phones or cables, the Samsung cables on it. So how do you just pick this up? Oh, alright. Here is the charger for the watch itself. I can't even. Here you go. Oh yeah. Here you go. Here's the charger. And we can just close this and put it back to this original position. Alright. So here's the main attraction itself. Hopefully the other side nothing. Okay. Alright, here's the main attraction. Check it out. This is super sexy, to be honest. This looks like an Apple Watch, but much better than an Apple Watch, to be honest. I don't like Apple Watch because I using iPhone, but I don't want to join the Apple ecosystem. It's kind of stupid, to be honest. I don't like. So here it is, the Amazfit watch. I think it's a Bip U smartwatch. As you can see, it's quite similar to an Apple Watch. And here we go. I'm going to charge this. I'm gonna charge this and see. Hopefully it can, and I can go and sign in my things and stuff onto this, and let you guys share about this thing if this thing works. So yeah. Alright guys, I finally installed the app. Is for the Amazfit watch. So here is the set watch where all of your data and stuff has been collected from here, and a whole bunch of information on the watch, which yep, and a whole bunch of information also. Also you can do some health monitoring and a bunch of really cool features on your watch, which is more than my Xiaomi Band 4. So here it is. There's a bunch of really nice watch faces. I can tell you it's really good, and it's not nice, to be honest. So that's it. So let's move on to the conclusion part. So this is it. This is the end product of the Amazfit Bip U smartwatch. As you can see, I have created my own chose my own watch face. As you can see, there's a bunch of apps which I am going to go through one by one, see what apps it is unnecessary for me, but if it is unnecessary, I go and remove it. So that is it for this video. I think this is for the this is the conclusion. That is the first look and the unboxing of the Amazfit Bip U watch. This is not a pro version. This is a Bip U. I think it's a normal version. If you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, go. If you don't want to subscribe, I'm okay. I'm fine with it. Remember to turn on the post notifications are on so that you won't miss out any upload that I put on YouTube. And also one more thing, the TikTok. I think the TikTok I have said already. I see you guys next time. Bye guys.